Monster chicken tractor, take one. Okay, so this is what we built yesterday, and this is for the hens to go in. And so this bar comes down right here. Let me back this up so you can see it. And occasionally on the farm you have a critter that wants to find out what you're doing. Anyway, the chicken goes in there. They lay their egg. The egg rolls down to the basket right here. Okay, there's plastic on top of it, so in order to protect the egg. All right, Kitty, get out of the video. And anyway, what you have is you have 5 boxes on the top, 5 boxes on the bottom. Now, this particular chicken tractor is 16 feet long, and I'm going to guess about 10 feet wide, maybe 12. So the whole point in coming out to help a brother out in building this thing is to be able to see what all the issues are in building it, and hopefully not make the same mistakes but use the benefit. So it's very important to go out and volunteer your time and effort and energy in order to learn something. So this is box number 2, and the sides have already been put on, and we'll kind of show you step by step what happens along the way. And so let's go to the next video.